Mr. Rahul Chhajed, Managing Director, Rahul Engineering Global Private Limited. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
You do design and manufacture of custom-built process equipment for chemical, petrochemical, pharmaceutical, fertilizer, oil and gas, and food dairy industries. So, what are the products that you are presently providing?
Yes, sir. Rahul Engineering Global Private Limited is situated in Pune, and basically we are focusing on process equipments for, as sir said, for chemical, pharmaceutical, food industries. And the products basically we are focusing are heat exchangers, chemical reactors, and distillation columns. In heat exchangers, if you see, we are focusing mainly on shell and tube heat exchangers, spiral heat exchangers, corrugated tube heat exchangers, and floating head type of heat exchangers, U-tube heat exchangers. In reactors, various types of reactors with different like PBT type, anchor type, turbine type, and with different temperature range ranging from -degrees to up to 350, 400 degrees Celsius. For columns, we are manufacturing extraction columns, stripper columns, distillation columns, batch distillation columns, and various other equipment required in the process industry like large storage tanks and pressure vessels.
So, all these you manufacture in your Pune plant, or you have a tie-up with some company?
We have one manufacturing facility which is spanning around 90,000 square feet. Under the crane, we have around 30,000 square feet. All this is located in a busy industrial area of Chakan, Pune. It is just 100 kilometers from the port in Bombay. We are also exporting to countries like USA, UK, Indonesia, Italy, and the Middle East countries as well.
And how was your performance last year? And what's the number of orders that you have backed?
In terms of revenue, we have grown around 25% since last year. It was a good financial year for us, and our target for the next year is around 30% growth for the next financial year. We have bagged very big orders from reputed companies like UPL, Atul Limited, SRF, DCM Shriram in the past, and we are focusing on companies like Aarti Industries Limited, PI, Pidilite in the coming years.
So what's your USP which differentiate you from other heat exchanger companies or agitated reactor companies or column companies?
Yes, sir. Our USP is that we are providing design and manufacturing solutions under one roof. We are catering to all major capital equipments required in a project industry. And we have a separate manufacturing facility for stainless steel as well. We are very good at manufacturing polished equipments, the GMP type of reactors, heat exchangers. We have good skilled manpower required for doing exotic metal fabrications in metals like hashed alloy, duplex, super duplex, nickel-based alloys, Monel, and Inconel.
And what's your plan for financial year 24-25 for all the three products that you mentioned? Are you also looking at new geographies in this new financial year, and any new products that you are planning to launch in this financial year?
Yeah. Last year we launched the spiral heat exchangers. It was a new product for us. We were regularly manufacturing shell and tube heat exchangers. In the coming year, we are planning to manufacture box type heat exchangers, box type condensers, you can tell, and hydrogenators. Because right now we are doing reactors, but now we are planning to do reactors, hydrogenators as well. We are building a new manufacturing facility spanning around 12,000 square feet next to our existing facility to cater to these needs. We are focusing on different sector, an additional sector like oil and gas for the coming year to achieve our revenues and the required credentials.
So the new facility that you are coming up with, what's the capex investment that you are planning to do? And will it be for a year or will it be for a couple of years?
Yeah, the capex investment would be around 3 to 5 crores in the coming year.
And I see in terms of verticals, you focus on multiple verticals. But which is your strong vertical that you are in, and which vertical you want to pursue in a big way in this fiscal?
Yes, sir. Right now, in terms of revenues, around 50% revenue is coming from the heat exchanger business, and this is the main focus we are planning to increase the revenue from this segment up to 75% and be a premier heat exchanger manufacturer in India and in global markets.
Chemical and petrochemical sector is seeing a lot of expansion, both greenfield as well as brownfield expansion. How does it help in terms of your revenue growth?
Yes, sir. For chemical, petrochemical, one more segment which we are focusing is site fabricated tanks, which is a very big segment because it can bring in big revenues for us. And as the chemical industry is picking up from a sluggish last year, we definitely feel that it will add a boost to our revenues and the targets we have set.